Rural Alabama. It's a peaceful place to live. On a clear night, you can see every star in the sky. But if you're sick and need medical care, these country roads can feel long and lonely, especially if you're someone like James, who is living with a chronic illness.
Medical advocacy and outreach is a godsend. It's great. It allows me to go to my local clinic and still be able to see my doctors and my caregivers, and it's just a great program. You know, the most important thing when you have a chronic illness is keeping those scheduled appointments, you know, keeping up with your doctor visits, getting your medicines on time. And if you don't do that, things can go downhill real fast. So it's very important.
Medical Advocacy and Outreach started as a volunteer organization helping men and women living with HIV in and around Montgomery. Today, we've grown into a critical healthcare provider, bringing hope to thousands of people in Montgomery and all across Central and South Alabama. Some of our patients have insurance and can afford to pay for medical services, but many can't.
Okay, would you take a big breath in with your mouth open, please? Thank you. One more time. Good, that sounds a lot better.
MAO reaches deep into the community, bringing medical care and social services to people in need. We provide testing and treatment for a variety of diseases like hepatitis C, diabetes, and HIV, as well as mental health and addiction counseling for those who are struggling to make sense of the world around them. Many of these rural patients are facing a dark and uncertain future. But MAO is their shining star, bringing hope and light to those in their darkest hour. The sickest, the poorest, no one is forgotten, even those in the farthest corners of Alabama.
Let's take a listen to those heart and lungs.
Our nationally recognized telemedicine program brings experienced doctors to small towns across Alabama, so a patient in Conecuh County can receive expert care from a specialist in Montgomery. And people like Sheila can get the help they need.
Hepatitis C. I didn't know anything about it, much less think that I could have it. MAO was at a community health fair giving tests for hepatitis C, AIDS, so I got tested. I'm glad that I did. My test results came back positive for hepatitis C. MAO has been my hugest support, from providing education materials to helping develop a treatment plan. MAO has been right beside me.
Today, MAO has expanded to offer dental services, social services, and counseling, and prevention services for HIV and STIs. Our continuing education program keeps healthcare providers up to date on the latest treatments for a variety of diseases. And our on-site pharmacy provides life-saving medications that many of our patients couldn't otherwise afford. From Montgomery to Marion, from Andalusia to Abbeville, MAO is there. A guiding star that lights the path for those who need a way forward. And with your help, that light can shine brighter than ever before.
It's been 30 years since MAO began helping those in need across Central and South Alabama. Thanks in part to donations from people like you, more than 1,800 patients are getting the care and support they need to battle chronic diseases like hepatitis C and diabetes. Please join us in our mission to help those who need it the most. Through your donation, you can be the star that lights their way.